How to update the Wayfair app to the latest version. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type Wayfair and press the search icon. You will see the official Wayfair app developed by Wayfair LLC appear in the result. If an update is available, you will see an update button right next to the app. Tap on Update and the latest version of the Wayfair app will start downloading automatically. The process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed connection. Once the update is complete, you can tap on Open to launch the app. If you don't see an update button, it means your app is already up to date. However, to make sure you always get the newest features automatically, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the Play Store screen and enable Auto Update. This ensures your Wayfair app stays updated with new features, security improvement, and bug fixes without needing manual updates. In case the Wayfair app is not available for update in your country, you can also download the latest version manually using APKPure. Open the APKPure app, search for Wayfair, and tap Update or Install to get the most recent version. Now you know how to update the Wayfair app to the latest version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.